Welcome back. We're at getting started frozen yogurt when it's freezing. Now, this getting started it's supposed to be a little activity where we give you a piece of spaghetti and you keep going with the movements, but because this is a virtual setting, we won't be able to do that. So, we're just going to look at this real quick. It says Mr. Templeton's Future Business Leaders Club is helping frozen yogurt shop located near the school analyze how the business affected by weather. So we're looking at how yogurt and weather are correlating. The owner is wondering whether there is a relationship between the temperature and the number of customers. Just kidding. Temperature and the number of customers. We're going to see if there's a difference. And then the FBLC collected this data. Let's do this scatter plot. It says plot the first data point, 45 and 97. I can't forget that we got to make sure we label what our X and our Y is. So make sure you label X and this is Y. I'm even going to do myself a bigger favor. I'm going to come right here to the graph. Temperature, we just labeled it. It's X. And the number of customers is Y. I know some of us are going to say, but sir, you already have the X right here and the Y is right here. Yeah, but for myself and for other individuals, I do want to make sure I remember, because I'm reading temperature right here. What if I forget about the X over here? So definitely mark it where you can see it. Okay, I'm just going to plot the points real fast, and you definitely do that along with me. 45, 97, 45, 97's around here. 25, 55, 25, 55, somewhere around there. 60, 85, 60, 85 is right there. And 15, 37, somewhere right here. And 100 at the very corner. Continue this process until we have all the 5 points on there. Like I said, we were supposed to have a spaghetti, so it would have been like that, changing. And then we just want to make sure that we can see, hey, it's kind of making a line. Now, with this assumption that it's kind of making a line, we can actually get a prediction from this set line on how to approximate that. If it's 90 degrees, we should be able to figure out that number because of how closely related these points are to said linear line. I just threw a bunch of vocabulary at you, so I definitely understand if you're like, what the French toast did this guy just say? So we're going to pause this video, and then we're going to jump into activity 1.1. Please make sure that you can plot these points. They're right here, but you want to make sure that you can recognize, okay, 45 is X on my X-axis because it's temperature and X, and 97 is number of customers. This is my Y-axis, boom, boom. Okay, next video coming up.